Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. We have Beachweather. Yes, we have that in Sweden as well, actually, right now. It's midsummer, and this song is called Fake Nice. So he's very, very tired of being fake nice. It could drain you. I'm sure about that, but still, a great song. And we have this without any capo, okay? It's clean on fretboard. We have pretty much three main chords, but to handle the full song, even the bridge, we need to learn another 4 chords for that, guys. So total of 7, but still it's not too hard, so let's go into it. So we're gonna start with the chords first. C, so that goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have F, which is a bar chord. So you place the index finger on the 1st fret and push down all strings there. Then you need to add 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. That's the F, and then we go up to the G sharp. Exactly the same grip, you just moved up to this position, so you land with the index finger on the 4th fret now with that bar, and everything else follows there. So you're gonna add 6 on A, 6 on D, and 5th on G. And that's the G sharp. You're gonna run these 3 chords as the main chords like 95% of the song, all right? But then to handle the bridge part later on, like I mentioned, we need to learn a couple more chords. So if you had that F, you're gonna now play the F minor. So what you do there from that F, you're gonna take away that 2nd fret G string, and voila, you have that F minor. Okay? Then you're gonna play the A minor. That goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. You have, let's see, E minor. And that will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And actually, that's all chords we need. Only 6 chords. Yeah, my fault, but still, it's better. So, 6 chords total. Now, let's learn and focus on the main part, the C, F, and G sharp, and learn how to play it. So, if you grab the first chord C, 1 string around will be like this. Okay, a total 4 downs. On the 3rd down, I like you to play and highlight the higher strings there. So you play on the bass strings for all the other downs, the 1st, the 2nd, and the 4th, but on the 3rd down, you go all the way down. So that's 1 string round. A couple rounds. All right, so the main play here will be to play C, 2 full string rounds, F, 1 round, and G sharp 1 round. You just roll that. C2, F1, G sharp 1. Alright, so there you have it, guys. Now, I mentioned the bridge. It starts about 1 minute and 46 seconds in. What you're going to play now is to play F, 2 string rounds, then A minor, 2, C, 2, E minor, 2. That's the first half. Then you're going to play the second half, which is the F2, F minor, 2, E minor, 2, F1, and G sharp 1. So let's play that together. F, A minor, C, E minor, F minor, E minor, F, G sharp, and then back to main. And that is Beachweather's Fake Nice. Fake Nice is a cool song. So if you like this, it's not too hard. Give it a shot. It's simple chords and playing and all that good stuff that we love. And if this was helpful, then help me out here, guys. I need your supports. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. All that good stuff is needed and highly appreciated. So thank you for your support. And till next time, play tune.